Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Well, today's story might change the way you see everything. It's a short tale about a boy, a mountain, and a secret that changed his life forever. Let's dive into The Echo of the Mountain. Once there was a young boy named Leo. Leo was very smart, but he had a big problem, a very quick temper. When things didn't go his way, he would shout, stomp his feet, and say unkind things to everyone around him. One afternoon, after losing a simple board game to his friend, Leo flew into a rage. He stormed out of the house and ran toward the tall, rocky mountains behind his village. He was so frustrated that he climbed halfway up a hill, stood on a large rock, and screamed at the top of his lungs. I hate everything. To his absolute surprise, a voice from across the valley immediately shouted back, I hate everything. Leo froze. He didn't see anyone. He felt even angrier, thinking that someone was mocking him. He cupped his hands around his mouth and yelled, You are a coward. The voice replied instantly, You are a coward. Confused and a little bit scared, Leo ran back down the hill to his grandfather's house. Grandfather, Leo panted, his face red. There is a mean person hiding in the mountains. Whatever I see, they say it back to me. They are being very rude. The grandfather smiled kindly. He took Leo by the hand and led him back to the same spot. Watch this, Leo, the old man said. He looked out at the vast valley and shouted, I admire you. The voice replied, I admire you. Grandfather laughed and yelled, You are a champion. The voice echoed back, You are a champion. Leo's eyes went wide. Grandfather, how did you make him be so nice? Grandfather knelt down and said, Leo, people call this an echo. But in reality, this is how life works. Life does not give you what you want. It gives you back what you give it to it. Your life is simply a reflection of your actions. From that day on, Leo practiced choosing his words carefully. He learned that when he spoke with kindness, the world became a much kinder place to live. Moral of the story is the way you treat others is exactly how the world will treat you. If you enjoyed the story, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more English stories to help you learn and grow. Tell us in the comments, have you experienced an echo in your life? Thanks for watching and remember, be kind to the world and the world will be kind to you. See you in the next video.